If you've been working on your nervous system for a while, but you still feel wired, tired, or unsafe in your own body, one of these myths may be keeping you from the healing that you really need. So let's bust 4 common nervous system myths, and I'll guide you through easy techniques along the way so you can feel the shift for yourself. Myth number 1. Calm means stillness. A lot of people think that being calm means sitting perfectly still, breathing slowly, maybe feeling nothing in the body. But for some nervous systems, especially if you've experienced trauma or chronic stress, stillness can actually feel unsafe. And it can trigger your nervous system into a stress response. So that could feel like dissociation, that could feel like restlessness. So if stillness feels edgy for you, try pendulating. You can do this with me right now if you're feeling it. Sway gently side to side. If you're standing, you're too uppity to even sit down. You can shift your weight side to side from foot to foot. You can rock side to side through your sit bones, or rock back and forth through your sit bones if that feels good for you. And if it feels right, you can let your breath move with the swaying. This gives your body safety cues without forcing it into stillness before it's ready. Myth number 2, deep breathing always helps. I put deep breathing in quotations here because, wow, this is said so much. Yes, the breath is powerful. It's an amazing tool. But certain breathing techniques, especially strong inhales and breath holds, can be triggering. They can stimulate the system. They can release stress hormones. And this can actually feed into a chronic stress cycle and make you feel more wired if you're already depleted or in burnout. So first, focus on lengthening your exhales. And if you know me, this is one I use a lot because it's an incredible tool for stressed bodies and minds. So you can gently inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6 to 8. And again, this isn't about forceful breathing. It's not hard breathing. You're finding gentleness, softness in your breathing that then creates a sense of softness and release and relaxation through your body. And this can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is healing mode and where you want to get to, especially with a stressed nervous system. Myth number 3, safety comes from the mind. Affirmations, mindset work, and therapy are, of course, all valuable. But you need a felt sense of safety in the body, not just thoughts about feeling safe, which is why body-based work for nervous system repair is absolutely essential. So you can place one hand over your heart, you can place one hand over your belly, and feel the warmth under your palms. Feel the support of your hands into your body. And let your breath move into your hands and just feeling reassured by the support of your hands. Feeling into the love and care that you're giving to yourself in doing so. This simple practice taps into your vagus nerve and releases oxytocin. Myth number 4, once you're regulated, you remain regulated. Nervous system regulation isn't a one-time fix. It's a capacity that you build over time. And even regulated people still have moments of stress, shutdown, or activation. The difference is that they recover faster and can return to their baseline more easily because they've developed the skill and practice of regulation. So when you notice activation returning, instead of panicking or questioning if you'll ever get better or wondering if you've lost your progress, try placing your feet firmly into the ground and feeling that contact. Let your exhale drop into that support. This alone can reframe regulation as a skill that you can return to again and again. So let's bring this all together. Practice with me. First, whether you're standing or seated, let yourself begin to sway in a way that feels organic for you. Whatever that looks like, the tempo, whether you're going side to side, front to back. Let your eyes close if that feels safe for you. And begin to let an inhale come in for a count of 4. And exhale for a count of 6 to 8. Letting your breath be soft and gentle. And repeating that cycle. Breathing in for a count of 4. And exhaling for a count of 6 to 8. One more time. Breathe in for a count of 4. And exhale for a count of 6 to 8. Now place one hand on your heart. Place the other hand on your belly. Feel the warmth of your hands, the support of your hands, and feel how your breath can move into your hands. And whether you're seated or standing, let your feet be flat on the floor and feel the connection of your feet into the floor, into the earth, even down through the floor, into the earth. Now let your hands rest down, noticing your body, your breath, any small signs of settling. Perhaps you feel more ease in your breath, a sigh that wants to release, or softening anywhere in your body, your shoulders, your jaw, your chest, your belly. This is your nervous system learning that safety is something that you can return to. If you've been pushing your nervous system with tools that haven't necessarily been that helpful, it's not that you're failing. It's that your system needs a sense of safety that's tailored to you. If you want to start experiencing that right away, use my free Somatic starter kit. I'll link it in the description. It's a video series where I share simple practices with you to help you feel grounded and safe in your body. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these myths have you believed? And which of the practices from today created a shift for you? Let me know in the comments and subscribe so you can continue to receive new practices that I'm sharing here every week. Thanks so much for being here with me. I'll see you in the next video.